Hello again, everyone. This is Mrs. Hamby. I'm going to finish up our notes on the triangle sum theorem. So we're going to go ahead and finish up example 4. And this one asks a little bit different, okay? So not only are we need to figure out what x is, but we also have to figure out exactly how many degrees that angle C is, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up just like we did before. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C has to equal 180 degrees because that's how many degrees there are in a triangle. And we know that angle A is x plus 2, so we're just going to put x plus 2 here. We know angle B is x minus 18. And we know angle C is 2x. I'm just going to change my color and fill that in. So we're going to add those together and set it equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So now we need to use our algebra skill, just like before. We have to go ahead and box and wall. So we need to combine like terms on the left-hand side. So this is 1x, and 2x. So we're going to combine those. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4x in total when we combine our like terms. And then we also have 2 minus 18 is going to be a negative 16. And that's going to be set equal to 180. Now we're just going to get the x solved for, so we're going to add 16 to each side. So we're going to have 4x equals 196. And then we're going to divide each side by 4. Remember, this is 4 times x, so we do the opposite and we divide by 4. And so we have x equals 49, okay? So we did solve for x, so we found x. That was the first step. But it doesn't ask us just to find x. We need to actually find the measurement of angle C. So now that we know what x is, we can go ahead and use this angle right here and go 2 times our x, which was 49. So we know that angle C is going to be equal to 98 degrees. Okay. Since we're here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to figure out what all the angles are. Okay. Why just find angle C? Let's figure out what angle A is. So we're going to do the same process. We're going to take this angle right here, and we're going to take what our x is, which is 49, and we're going to add 2 to it. So we're going to do 49 plus 2, because that's what our x was. And so we get that our angle A is 51 degrees. And we can do the same thing to angle B. We're going to take that 49 for our x, and we're going to subtract 18 from it. So we find angle B is going to be 31 degrees. Okay, and so remember the triangle sum theorem says that if we add up all of these angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, they should all equal 180 degrees. So after I've figured out all of these angles, you're going to want to go back and double check. Okay, this was 51 degrees. Angle B was 31 degrees. And angle C was 98 degrees. Right here, 98 degrees. So when I add them up and set them equal to 180, you just plug them into the calculator, and then we check. It does actually add up to 180 degrees. Okay. So I need you to now just go on Google Classroom and practice the skill on Google Classroom. Thank you.